Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the WhatsApp not showing photos in your Android gallery issue in 2025. So let us guide you through this. So launch the WhatsApp application on your Android, and step number 1 would be to enable the media visibility. To do that, tap into these three dots in the top right corner of your home screen and navigate to settings. After that, what you want to do is navigate to chats here, tap into it. And what you want to do after that is make sure that media visibility here under chat settings is enabled. If that's not the case, switch it on. That's option number 1. Option number 2 would be to enable also automatic media downloads. To do that, return to the previous menu, swipe down and tap into storage and data. And here guys, swipe down again till you get to media auto download and select your source, like for example mobile data or Wi-Fi. If you're using WhatsApp at home, tap into when connected on Wi-Fi and make sure that the checkbox next to photos is enabled. And that's it. That should fix the issue, guys. Please let us know in the comments down below if that's the case. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.